In front of me is Nothing Phone for April, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. First of all, you need to find Recorder app that's already on your device. This one. Once you find it, click on it. And before doing anything, tap on this gear at the top right corner. Then you can turn on or off those two options, high quality format and recording light. Once you're done, go back and use red button over here to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. You can pause it or unpause it using the same middle button. If you want to discard it, use this X at the top left one and confirm your choice in the pop-up. To end it and save it though, click on Save at the bottom right corner. Now name your recording however you want to. And use this checkmark to save it. Now to find your recording, from here, tap on top left corner on those two lines to get access to your list. To play one, click on it. And to manage it, check out all of those options at the bottom. Speed, share. This pen one is edit name. And this bin to delete it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!